Yeah, hi ladies and gentlemen, welcome to Tradespeople's Tips. We have a Citroen Berlingo. We're gonna show you how to check your levels on. Okay, here is your brake fluid reservoir. On the side of it or on the front of it, you will have markings showing your level. That should not go down unless your brake pads are wearing. Okay, just at the front here, this is your dipstick. Let your engine oil settles if you've been running the vehicle. Pull it out, and on the bottom of it you see the two marks, minimum and maximum. That's how you check your oil. Put it back in. When you put it in, get a tissue here. Make sure you push it right back in it. Okay, your engine oil go in here. Should you need to top it up, just simply unscrew that one, just a twist, and it pops off. Put it back in, folds into place, twist it again, and it locks up. Okay, as we move across here, this is our screen wash. Pop that up, put it back on. You can see this one is nothing, yeah. Right, so that's how you check. There's screen wash. You need a bit of super glue in there if you should happen to you. There is your expansion tank. Do not open this if your vehicle is hot. On there, you see you got your maximum and your minimum should be just underneath there. You can just about see the text protruding. Okay, that's where you tap up your coolant, your antifreeze. And just here is your power steering. That's where you top up your power steering. Again, just unscrew. I'm not going to struggle with that. And screw it back up once you've checked it. Just back there is your air filter. Should you be doing a service. This is a petrol engine, by the way. Okay. On that note, from Tradespeople's Tips, if you're robbing people, stop it. Later.